environmental science. Today we are going to see a new chapter, Unit 5, Wonders of Nature. What's the title? Wonders of Nature. Okay? You will learn about some wonders of nature, plants and animals, colors and fragrance of flowers, colors and fragrance of flowers, wonders of nature. First of all, we will see plants. Nature is full of wonders. Shall we explore some of them? Nature is God's gift. It's our duty to keep it safely and neatly. Okay? What's the meaning of the term explore? To think and talk about something in order to find out more about it. In order to find out more about it. So, in this unit, we are going to learn about the wonders of nature. Wonders of nature. First of all, we are going to see plants. First one, lily. Why does water not stay on the leaf of the lily? This is the question. See the answer. The leaf of a lily has a waxy coat on the upper surface. On the upper surface. Okay? It has a knot too. Water does not stay on the leaf because of the knot and the waxy coating. This V-shaped cutting of the leaf. This is called notch. Okay. So, second one, nuts under the soil. Nuts under the soil. Usually, nuts are seen on the stem part of the plant. But in groundnut plants, the nuts are under the soil. These nuts are also called Seelagiri. Third one, Kurunji. The Kurunji or Neela Kurunji shrub is found in the Nilgiri mountains in Tamil Nadu. The flowers of the Neela Kurunji bloom only once in 12 years. Only once in 12 years. They are purple blue in color. Purple blue in color. Like this only. Purple blue in color. Nilgiri, the blue mountain, gets its name from these flowers. From these flowers. Okay. Fourth one. Touch me not plant. What's that? Touch me not plant. Have you seen this plant? It is found in many places. Have you seen this? It is found in many places. It is a small herb. What is called herb? Herbs are small plants with thin and soft stems. Most of them live for a few months only. Some examples: mint, coriander, grass, like that. Okay? It is a small herb. When you touch the leaves of this plant, they close. They close. So it is called the touch me not plant. Touch me not plant. The leaves open a few minutes later. A few minutes later. Next, fifth one, Erukku, Calotropis. Calotropis. It is a shrub. Shrub means what? Shrubs are smaller than trees. The stems are thin and hard. Thin and hard. Some of the examples: hibiscus, jasmine, rose plant, like that. Okay? It has a group of waxy flowers. Its flowers are either white or lavender in color. Either white or lavender in color. It is also known as the crown flower. What's that? Crown. How is it called? Crown flower. Because it looks like a crown. Okay, this is your activity. Then color, next heading, color and fragrance of flowers. Color and the fragrance of flowers. What's the meaning of the term fragrance? Fragrance means pleasant smell. In Tamil, narumanam. Narumanam. Flowers have beautiful colors and many have fragrance. Insects are friends of the flowers. Who are the friends of the flowers? Insects are the friends of the flowers. They are attracted by the color and smell. By what reason they are attracted? Due to the color and smell of the flowers. Okay? Flowers have nectar. Flowers have nectar. What's the meaning of the term nectar? The sweet liquid that insects like bees, butterflies, beetles collect from flowers to make honey. Insects and birds come to suck the nectar from the flowers. See here, okay? So that only they are coming, okay? Many of the flowers that bloom at night are white in color. Which color? White in color. And they have a wonderful fragrance. See here examples. Night. Night flowering jasmine, pavalamulli. Spanish cherry, magilambu. Jasmine, malligai. Okay? Many of the flowers that bloom during the daytime, they have attractive colors and are less fragrant. So during the night, most of them they are in white in color. Okay, the flowers that bloom during the day, they have attractive colors but less fragrant. Okay, what are they? Butterfly tea, sangupu, jungle clave, vechipu, in Tamil iklipu. Okay. Periwinkle, Nitya Kalyani. Nitya Kalyani. One more activity. You have to complete this one also. Okay. Wonders of nature, animals. So plan is over. Now we come to the heading of wonders of nature, animals. Chameleon. What's that? Chameleon. See here. Chameleon. Have you seen this animal? It is called a chameleon. It is a type of lizard. It changes its skin color to merge with the surroundings. Merge means to mingle with the surroundings. This helps it to escape from its enemies. Escape from its enemies. Next one, lizard. Have you seen a lizard? Lizards have toe pads. See here, which help them stick on to the wall. If the tail of the lizard is cut, it grows back in 1 or 2 months. It grows again within 1 or 2 months. Next one, spider. Do you remember that insects have only 6 legs, but spiders have how many legs? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. So spiders are not insects because they have 8 legs. They have 8 legs. They are strong and sticky. Very strong and sticky. These webs help the spider to catch insects. Okay, like flies for its food. Next one. Next animal, dog. Dogs can smell much better than us. They can smell much better than us. They can even hear very soft sounds and sounds from far away. They are trained and used by the police. For what purpose? To identify thieves. To identify thieves. These dogs are called sniffer dogs. Okay, sniffing power, Mota Shakti. Okay, they are also used to search for people during natural disasters like earthquakes. Okay, next animal, rat. Rat. The rat is a small animal that lives in houses and fields. Okay, they can live without water for even longer periods of time than camels. What a surprise! While comparing camels, they only live without water for longer periods. Okay, they can bite hard with their teeth. With their teeth. Some of their teeth keep growing. Rats grind their teeth to prevent them from becoming too big. From becoming too big. Next one. Next one. Snail. The snail has two pairs of feelers. Feelers. See here. Feelers. They use feelers to feel and touch the things. To feel and touch the things. Where on its head. One pair is long. One pair is long. Okay. And the other is short. And the other is short. The eyes are on the longer pair. The eyes are on the longer pair. See here. Eye. Okay. If we touch the snail, it pulls its body back into its shell like a tortoise. Okay, like a tortoise. Okay, one more activity. Spot and count the different animals. Okay, this is also your today's activity. Okay, kids. Today's English class is over. You have to complete all the book activities on this unit. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.